Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Today I go walking, everyone. Samahan niyo po ako, everybody. Oy, mag-walking po tayo, oy. Walking po tayo. Oh, yeah. Kapoy, everybody, but I have to do it. Yeah. I go to the area, throw away the bottle. It's getting mini, may bottle outside. Oy, I have to throw. Ay, pag-ibig. Ay, patong sa kaniya, everyone, guys. Patong sa nadiha kay para di hulog mag-shoes at everyone wait. So I'm not ready for my bottle. Oy, I have to put in the plastic. Diyos ko, Lisa, oy. Nalimot, mas Lisa ready. Oy, saon man lang halay pa mas Lisa outside. Imik pa man halay outside ya. Kay si aharing adlaw hinggawas today. Kaya sama po tayo everybody. Everybody, let's wait. I have to I look for guys, I have to get guys, ha? Wait ha? I get my bottle kaya I have to throw away bottle. The bottle. I pass to the bottle area. I have to throw. 3:30 na. Wait kinahanglan siya ilabay everybody. Okay. It's getting mini na oy. Useless man if I do not throw kung I pass man in the area of the area of throw away. Labay na nato. Para mahawan. Kaya dito ganahan og daghang basura everyone oy. Nahanglan siya eh. Labs ya. Sabot ang bukong sa labs, labay. Diyos ko God. Hindi ko mag-alagat sa kung anab kay nang work si anab oy. Mag-work po si Lisa. Work out ya. Na, lagubo na. Ay, lagubo na. Hello. This is your simple and fun family, everyone. Let's go. Labay ta sa mga kuan, everyone. Guys, labay sa nako guys ang kuan kanang batul. Di ta magdugay kay nang ano. Agkuy agsan direct in my face. Mangatol jud Lisa inig uli ani. Mangatol jud ko ani everyone inig uli. Kay strong man dasan to di strong. Dasan to di is the strong ya. Important is my face. I have to wala ra ba ko mag-lotion oy. Tangan sa na itong lotion gamay itong nawong oy. Karatihon jud ko ani sa saan unya. Kay kuan man sa nga aning init. Hinggawas masaharing adlaw today. Butangan to gamay lotion to nawong everyone kay otherwise when I'm back is my face is already a litson. Looks like litson na. Na. Very na oily my face na. Sao madiri gud oy nga. Dipirin pa gud ang sun diri oy. The sun here is very dry. Sa ato wala jud ko problema Pinas di here only. Gawas mas haring adlaw today. So we have to go out also. Kay 24 degree today, 26 ya. Like that. Yeah. Diyos ko God. Let's go everyone. Throw away the bottle everyone. We throw. After you throw away bottle. I have to. Ay, ko God. I forgot something. Wait everybody. I forgot something. The mint. Where is the mint na? I have to bring mint. Wait everyone ha. I have to bring the candy mint. Yeah. Kay mutukar yan ang atong throat. Ang sao naman taan ni. Mag-bring ta og condiment kay para in case reason in case. La 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 la. Saon matalalala kadiha. Don't be patay-patay dyan kay na bakjab yung tadi mapatay ka din ha. Dah. Nagiun sa ning ako ang kuan everyone sa kiosk everyone ya. Guys, kay nakadaog og parting nga maaya igor ay pay tugluto. May nalaman ka pay tagluto ani. Hunos ya. Hunos. God knows only ya. Dah. Kadaog ko gamay very small only. It's not big. At least kadaog ta gamay. May pay gamay may pa kaysa zero. I-check sa nato there everybody ha. I check sa I lock or not kay sus. Daplin biskarsada everyone. Uy. Naghang mga lain tao dito. Kay sabaan ning ako ang glass. Magkakita na yun mo sa paglabay li sa glass. Ilabay na nila to everyone kay nagahana everybody. I have to go out para maka-upload sa Lisa. Uy. Wala ko download o upload. Ikmusit sa... Let's go everybody. I have to wear like this because the sun is very strong. I have soon allergy everyone. Yeah. I have to go now everybody. Let's go together. So let's go. I have to go in kiosk first. Yeah. Okay. I win small. Oh, tinan. Nakbar yan. I have to see Haluya. Nagiunin ako ang daog everybody. May nalaman ni Uy ra. Kapalit tagluto. Yeah. May nalaman ni. Ang usa 6 franc, ang usa 10 franc. Ang usa isa maayo nalaman uy. 58 franc ang usa, yung usa is 50. I think is the 70 over away niya. Sus, kumaayo na ana. Kaysa zero, ipalit naman ako nagluto. Luto everybody, uy. Diyos ko God. Dali-dali ta kay the sun is will be getting strong and strong. Mainastal na yun yung tea ni Lisa later. Let's go everyone. Yan natin natin everybody. Jesus. Direction, may this one in my direction in my piece. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go. First, I have to do it is I have to throw the look the bottle. The bottle of the area of the bottle. Flashy means that here everyone. Yeah, flashy means bottle. The empty bottle of glass. Yeah. Misura ni yung kaya mo tayo cameraman. Diyos ko. Bukod din pag-iro ani kay saba kay nga ako ang flashy. Kung bottle. Later, free na ang hands ako kanina lang akong camera akong opiran everyone. When I throw this one, yeah. Mula nagsugod akong nawong. Pero ang wind everyone, ang hangin is bugnaw. Some people's wearing padakota. Normal only, I wear only like this. Only like this. Kuhaon ako kaya kung daog everybody kay ipalit ni na tugluto para kung maluoy ang Ginoo diya everyone. Kung baka daog kugluto everyone katilaw jud mo tanan. Katilaw jud mo mga subscribers nako agoroy kay bawo nako kita na nako 15 subscribes nako. Makita na nako kinsa sila. Tuang patilawon sila. Mudaog ko luto. Kani dili sa kaniron kay gamay kayo igor ay palit. Igor ay palit luto. Dili na ko biyaan akong number sa luto everyone. Guys, dili ko biyaan. Ako dyan siyang antusan palito ba. Bahala na. Basin di ay kaluyaan ko sa Ginoo. Kaluyaan ko niya everyone. Para makatilaw mo. May rakain nga akong daog pero italit yung igluto. Para mudaog ko. Nahon ito patilaw itong subscribers ya. Kaya subscribe sa po kayo dyan. Kahit sino pa kayo, basta makasubscribe mo sa akin. Tilawon mo na ko basta daog luto. Wala lang ko kadaog pagluto. Ano sa ko ani kaluyan, Lord. Hangak si Lisa, oy. Hangak ang pigi. Bugnaw ang hangin, everyone. Bastahan pati sa little bit cold, yeah. Diri lang sana i-focus atong nawong. Okay. Literal, everyone, is when it's free, my hands, because I have para battle in my arms, yeah. Sural gini vlogger everyone oy. It's not easy ay maputol atong ulo oy. Kumbati Lisa. Gawin ko to para sa lahat. Bahala na, magtiis ko. Tiis lang po tayo everyone. Dili man everyone siling nga mohang dayon. Diba? So, kung wala na ang Facebook everyone, ang people everyone, ida YouTube na. So, number 1 na sa Lisa's YouTube ya. Subscribe na po kayo. Para makita nyo kung ano po ako dito. Hirap talaga. Nagasugod ako na ako, kapula-pula. Magpay ang kalo nga raon akong gikalo da. Yan na. Late na. Dali-dali ko kay my daughter said I have to cook small rice yeah. And fish. Tao man oy. Rice is life man my daughter everyone. Kaya dali-dali ko magluto ako. My God. Dali tagri kay. Yung sila instruction. Pasar ka diri everybody kay na apartment, new apartment ya. New apartment. Ay, tasa ni pigi oy. Pero ning kamot ko everybody nga. Maning kamot ko everyone nga. Us-us atong dugo. 128 atong dugo oy. Almost 130. I have to be back to 120. Gamay na ikuwang mo. 120. Oh. Utasa. Ay, God. Not easy life for everybody. It's not easy. We are almost now in the area of the battle everyone. Because sometimes I pass here. I forgot to bring a bottle, yeah. Glass. So I have to throw away. Throw away. Yeah. Okay. Basta lagi ipagawas area ang basura, oh. Ang wild nga animals sa gabi, ilahan ko ano, mukagon. Ako ay, pagawas ako ay in the morning, yun. Kay, sa gabi, manggawas ang mga wild animals. Yeah. Yes ko, everyone. Kutasin, ay kutasin. Let's see. Two ladies pasod niya. So, makita niyo. Kita nyo kung saan paglabay diri ang kuan kanang bottles. Da, three colors ada, three colors. White, green, and brown ya. Labay po tayo everybody. Ito ang patas ano gamay. Wow! Tas ano gamay. Pili ta mag-uno sa white, everyone, white. White. So, next is brown ya. Next is green. Green is the next ya. So, kita nyo na. Paluna sa ninato eh. Para di na ako magbit-bit-bit. Paningo tagsugod akong buko-buko everyone. Oy, may box getting hot. Dali tawan ran sa river and go back home. go back home. Kay man nam ko panglaba. Halay nam ko sa outside so. Mga hapyan sa po. Supa everyone ay labahan. So, let's go to kiosk everybody. I have to get this one. Dah. I get the small one ya. It's okay, the small one better than zero ya. So, let's go everyone. Paubsan sa na to everybody kay very high. Ito ang paubsan everybody kay I'm not comfortable and very high ya. So, all is okay everyone. That is the area everyone. That is the area guys of the bottle ya. White, green, and brown. Three ya, three. We have to follow rules kay if you do not follow the rules everyone, you have penalty. Don't like to pay penalty. Penalty, my God, no way. Magto sa taskiyos everyone magkuha sa kuaris. Banhop sa train station there is the area of the Luto. Here is the area of the Luto everyone. We have to get the small one here for the Luto. For to buy, we can buy again Luto. I don't have swerte. Wala pa ko swerte. Og dako gamay pa kay tanan. Pero sige lang inana mo ng life. Di man ito mahibawan mo na og tao diba? Ang importante nga naapatay ikapalit nga para sa sunod. Minim construction here oy. So many construction here around. Iubos na rin nato like that everybody. Later na ako ipakita ang view here everybody. Later na kay we are on the way in the kiosk, in the store. Laban po tayo sa buhay everyone. Laban po tayo. Yan po ang kahirapan dito. Malayo sa pamilya. Ang importante everybody is for me is a good health ya. It's very important ya. We are almost na rin banhok ya. Almost now. Beauty and the best. Tiksi. Gawas na jud ang kang Lisa nga sa original color. Original color ko everyone pa na jud. Manigir na jud ni. Sa akong mataan ni nga nigram tadaan pun apas ka strong saan mo da nigra na. Ja. The train will pass already ban in that train station everyone. Pass already ya. Yeah. Enjoy it everybody. Ay, tuwa na lang ni Ismail kay wala ang laing mahimo. Ismail na tani. One time. Kaluy ano tani. Ababya. Kaluy ano ta sa abab. Nagidali po ko everybody. I have to be. Take your time. Take your time, Lisa. Anyways, 9 o'clock pa everybody. I have a time. Very early to cook. I do not cook early. 11 o'clock like that. God. We go now here in the case, everyone. That is the story, one. I have to go inside here. Luto. Luto. Maybe we win the loko. I got a very big euro, million. The euro is 24 million. Ay, ay, ay. I hope we win. Morgan! The owner here is in the restaurant. We have to wait until the others finish. Hello. Okay.
6 Franken.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Diese Kuchen ist nicht ganz offen,
Ja, ist nicht ganz so.
dann geht nicht, weißt du. Weiters. 15 Franken. 48. Total ist 74.
Ja, genau. Ja. Ich möchte gerne Geld bitte, ja.
Was?
Geld, ja. Nächstes Mal ich wieder kaufe, ja. Heute ist, Pause bitte heute, ja.
Hä?
Heute ist Geld bitte.
Ja. Ich würde auch nicht.
Nächstes Mal, ja.
Schön.
Wieder, ja.
Dankeschön.
Danke, schönen
Ade.
Tag, Adi. I win, everybody is small. Is small only, ya. 74 parang may nalaman na, uy, kay sawa, uy. Kisa yung muhatag yung ani, uy. Very small only. Tuwa sa ni ibutang mo everyone sa. Ibutang sa kus bago, kay mahug, unya, uy. May nalaman na kadaog tag small one, ya. Bahala ng mga tao rin. Unsa may bayhana, buang bayhana. Bahala mo diha, uy. Okay, uy. Important daog tag kamay. So, let's go. I do not go in Banhop direct way cry am there. I have to go to the other side, everyone. Straight here. Straight here. Let's go, everyone. Gamaya ra kog daog, uy, at least. At least nalaman na aoy kapalit og luto sunod. Friday pa mo ko palit og luto, everyone. Nakapalit na ko, pero Friday pa to na ko. Balik to og balik. Dili ang tura ikuan sa tong nawong, uy, adto na ni sa view, uy. sa view na ni everybody siya. In the view na. Kay sumuol man pud ang diri ra sa akong nawong. Not good. Wala na mo kuan, wala na mo gana ako ang power bank. Naguba na. So soldi na kung i-charge as wala may power oy. Black man oy, I don't know oy, guba na tinan oy. Paitan ni sugsugon jud ko ani oy. Wala ko laing power bank. Na ako laing power bank di man mo sakar sa akong kuan. Di man mo sakar ani. Diyos ko everyone. Bantay tang di mahuging ako ang mga kagamitan da. Last time we are there everyone last time there oh. That is the store over there in the back of the building. Here tayo in the shadow. Shadow tayo. Cannot walk without shadow everybody cause my allergy. My allergy everyone. Step 2 needs concentrate of the kinder school. Yeah. That is the school everyone. Yeah. That is the school guys for the concentration. Concentrate training. Yeah. For the kiddos. Yeah. If the children is not good in concentrate, they have to put there. Yeah. Tired the parents of that. Yeah. Because you have to bring the kinder there. Pick up and bring. Pick up and bring. That is my daughter before. Yeah. Like that my daughter before. 27 minutes pa we are away. The man go there in the store and the train station is wala pa maabot yung cashier. Siya ra kay magtubang pa man siya sa mga customer dito sa iyang restaurant. Restaurant ya sa Banhop. Train station. Red Skull ra. The train over there. Oh, pass already. Pass here everyone. Enjoy it guys. It's the school of my daughter. Surely. Hello. Morgan. So the hound is very, the dog is very small. Yeah, just go baby dog. Yeah. It's not baby, that is very small. It's like a Chihuahua dog. Yeah. The owner said Morgan. You have to see hello. Here is a style. Here is hello. Yeah. Oh, the gritzy. Gritzy. It's a style of gritzy. Hello. Exercise of kura. My back is getting nice now, getting weak. Yeah. It's okay, everybody. I walk only in the shadow. Yeah. Not direct in the sun. The sun makes me kaput. Yeah. Makes me scarcely sun allergy. Here only everyone we go walking only here. Under the tree. Under the tree. It's good for me. I have to wait out. I see to Roman. You have to go. Yeah. Yes. The man was there in underground and I go out here. He's waiting with me. I said, go. He waited. Lisa is long time pa walking. Ayaw na tran. Dagma pa lang ta. Di ka bayran. Dagma. Mapangos ta. Tanaw pa ko sa kong cellphone. Cellphone ako gigamit everyone. Oy, wala. Mag-kukoy GoPro. Simple mo gigamit ni Lisa. Cellphone ra. Ay, hindi ko malubat ani. Kay jangan ano. Tanaw pa ko na pa space ako ang dili pag vlog. Kay butang pa sa speaker. Isud kaayo trabaho upload download eh. Not easy. It's not easy, everybody. Nah, select where do you like or very high building apartment. The apartment is very high. Look pero. Nalimot kog das baso sa akong amiga. Uy, akong banar, di ko makauli ato. Lisod kog ha, dala, uy, kay bugat man akong bakol. The building, everybody, ulo ko. Very nice, yeah. We pass here, everyone, we go to the shadow. Beside the river, everybody. I'm very happy beside the river, yeah. Beside of the river. Enjoy it, everyone. Enjoy, guys. Hope you enjoy it to my YouTube channel. Okay. Puno hid noy kay am kuhaan jud kag lisensya no eh. Di ka mahuno kuhaan jud kag lisensya. Ha, huno siya kay. Iwan pwede di ka mahuno basta naa ka ng line nga color, automatic man na stop. Kay ang pulis makikita nimo di ka mahuno yan ay gahuwat kay mulabang kuhaan ka lisensya. No more license na. That is the rules here. Here have a rules everyone is different here. Different here very strict here. The rules here is very very strict. Kay pirun tab o pirun nagpalo you have penalty. You have penalty. Nang lagi itong mapalo yung rules ya. Nakalabay na po ko sa kuha ng amiga nga balay. Wala man siya bro. Sometimes working man na. Working man na siya. Wala na kumadaag baso eh. Kung baan na rin mukuha na to eh. Uli. Baso. Pinukulan sa tangkong. My husband will return that I can. I live over there. She live over there. It's okay that the sun is strong, but the wind also is strong also everyone. The wind. We have to go to the other side, everybody. Spill flat, yeah. I think where is the house of over there? The house of my friend is over there. There is the area of the spill flats. There is she live there. She live over there. There is the area of the playing area. Okay, lamias, paminas, pulawas, pa-exercise. Very good. Very good. Mag-shortcut sa shadow kay there is no more shadow na there. No shadow na there. Nah, taas ng gunahon Anybody will clean her everyone. Anybody I hope di ko ani malubat everybody kay wala ko power bank kung power bank is no more man energy. Wala electric man here is the area of the playing area everyone here. My friend here last time is sitting here playing with the other kids with his family with her family. She was there last time It's nice here everyone We go to the shadow direct everyone I'm getting tired of the direct in the sun. Katul-katul ako nawong katul-katul na. Yeah. Very boring Sus, very tired if you have a lot of children. Bring here go Roy kapuya. But I win here. It's not so near my house. Like that maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes until there. Yeah, puya. That's why enough for me. Enough the two is enough the trust kan anybody will clean that everybody from municipal. The municipal are the workers they will clean that Ay, 35 minutes but we are make a one round there, one round. One round and go back in the house. Yeah. Continue ta everyone. Kay magluto pa ko everybody. Oy, di ta mo shortcut everyone. Ay naay tawo dito ora. Ay tawo with iro. There is the one guy there with a dog. Lisa on the alunoway. Ah, we have to be looking for open air kay people can see with us yeah. Here. We do not know yet. We have to be take care everybody yeah. Many apartment there everyone. Oh, I do not go to the apartment. I hear only. Very boring, very boring. Another playing area everyone. Oh, another. All over here have a playing area for the kiddos yeah. All over here. That is the apartment of my friend from Bohol. That is yeah. Many ways here. So many ways here. I do not go there kay there kalibunan there. Kalibunan. Paakan ta dito na iro. Mano is na there, mano young man. Here ta is better here yeah. Apartment para imo diha oh, garahana. Di na ta maabot dito everyone sa bridge kay the bridge it will be little bit more far. Here in the I like beside the river or in the shadow I like in the shadow. Yeah. Very quiet everyone in the house that. Bahong basura kay sa trust kan will get today. Truck will get today. Nice garden oh. Nice garden. Very quiet everybody eh. Very quiet. One round na tayo. Ambot niyo nga ganahan mo ko sa river everyone. Oy mawa jud akong problema. Akong kaminga basta makaari ko river na. Traskan sa iro everyone oh, tagarid. Basta maka kita ko og tubig nga refreshing mind jud lisa na. Very good jud my thinking ya. I go to the river ya. Think about taani ocean. Ocean. It's not ocean everyone ay. River only. River. My husband like to go yesterday in the with the boat. Ay, tired ka oy kay the whole morning he is in the fishing yeah. Very tired. I said you have to sleep. Okay. Para maka-relax ka. We do not ride boat. No problem. Area of the football area. Oh. The train is over there everyone. Area of the football ready na for playing. Natulog yun akong palalab. Ina ako tulog ka. Kay di ta mag ride sa boat is not necessary. You are very tired. Me as well, tired as well. Every day working in the house yeah. Excuses everyone. Disturbing ko nga itong throat eh. Sahay mo dry. Pero na ako tubig everybody eh. Ay water. We don't have to go there everybody there over there no. I do not go there everyone because there is the video ya. There is the camera. Kaya mututot yung camera diha kung alarm yun It's okay, my husband come with me and no doesn't come with me. I'm alone. Mututot niya na. Ada kong problema Lisa. Tinaluti tadi ya. Here only ya. We go to the shadow everyone. We are beside the river everybody. Oh look, oh. We are beside the river. River ta. Para mawala itong mga crabs. Later in the river everyone ya. Yeah. Ay, Diyos ko God. Very nice, very quiet everyone. It's good, perfect for a boat. The problem with my husband last time is no more fish. He cannot catch a fish ya. Even one wala. That is the hobby. Kaya go. I like in the shadow only. Very nice in the shadow everyone. Compared to the direct in the sun. The boat of my husband is there. Yesterday, long time fishing, no more fish. No fish. Guys, area of the sitting everyone, guys. You can see it also here. We make a one round only and then go back. 40 minutes over everyone here. I like to be refreshing mind here. Refreshing mind here. Very good. Ay, what a nice weather today. Mag-utiri na po this plant everyone every night after dinner. Yeah. Trust ka na the sitting. For sitting, for sit. Private boats club na yun. There. You can go there, area of the boat. May honey boat is there. Friday tag na birthday, may hand Friday na. Friday. Friday and birthday, may honey. I have to go find looking what I have to buy. My idea is the perfume only everyone yeah. Perfume. The mahal perfume everyone, Bosch yeah. The big bottle. That is my idea yeah. I don't think maisip to me. No, you don't have to buy shots. No. That's only I buy for you. No. Don't buy for me. It's unfair, you know, because he will buy for me and I do not buy for him. I have to buy. That is the style of everyone. If you have a birthday, you have to give something. I like that. I am under a tree na everybody. Happy na Lisa na. Happy na. I'm very happy na I'm here. Very nice the football yesterday evening. Ay, 7-1. I'm very happy. Germany is the winner. Yeah. But last time Switzerland and the Qatar is tie everyone. Yeah. In the last minute the Qatar will shoot the ball. Yeah. 1-1. Yeah. Oh my God. In the last minutes. Oh my God. Winner to Switzerland. Problem is getting sleeping beauty. Clear. Not easy. Okay. You can make again here. Everybody is open. Oh. Okay. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah is open here. For me. Anybody will ride boat everyone. Because when it's open here, anybody will ride boat. Yeah. Here is the private other clubs. Yeah. The other club of the boat, yeah. The long boat. Long and short, but that is the other clubs. Club. Different, my husband. At least for the long boat, student. Look, everybody, oh, very quietly here. So quiet, this place, yeah. This planet where I am is very quiet, yeah. Nobody is here, just only me. That is a shopping store, everyone. Oh, there, the other side. To the other side. Co-op shopping center, yeah. There is nice if there is a bridge, but I have to go far away the bridge over there. Sa Puya. Don't know where they will put the bridge here or directly in the store. It's nice to go to the other side as well. Next time, yeah. Not yet, yeah. We have a time, everyone. The children is 1 month is no school in July, yeah. No school. I have a pray. When the children has a pray, I have pray as well. I have a pray as well, but I have a lot to do in the house, yeah. Many things to do in the house, everybody. Eh? After this one, everyone here, I have to go back in the house, yeah. Slowly go back at everybody, oh. Kaya the swan is there, oh. The swan is there, family swan. Mother, father, and kiddos there. The swan. But I don't have a bread, everyone, for the ducks, yeah. I do not have. Maybe I will give on Friday. We will see. Maybe my husband may come office. I don't know because that is the birthday of my husband. But the Hoybis, everyone, I have to look. That is a gift for me. I give to my husband. Yeah. 55 years old, my honey. The time is so very quick, yeah. Important, my husband also is good health. Oy. It is a very important, yeah. Okay, bawal ko muna atay lamas tanang kinabuhi. Pero go lang tayo. Laban lang. Luha o sipon abot lisa. Bahala na basta ampor ko sa Ginoo. Na okay ang kanan. Kitsi. Manang ya pulahag buhok manang oy. Pula. Ug ako'y papiliun kulor everyone oy. Ambot usang kulura ka akong buhok. Sao naman na og magkulor ko og blonde nga di man ko Amerikana. Anay. Black na lang tingali. Manang drapak ka. Pula og buhok oy. Eh, Diyos ko. Kulor manang oy. Guyod sa iyang iro. Ambot. Kay paingon na taan ni mamuti atong buhok kay 50 years old na. 50 years old na si Lisa. Oy. My husband is 55 Friday. Important na for me everyone is my husband. Kiddos and me is always a good health. Yeah. Kay sus. Naranasan ako everyone is grabe. Grabe jud. My life is not easy. Especially when the children is very early nga natawo. Very early, boring ya. Very early. Premature ya. Premature may kinder ya. Tawo. Premature. Dili normal na tawo. It's not normal ya. Very early. The white lady is coming there. Here is ta everyone. 49 minutes now. We go back in the house, everybody. It's time to go back now, yeah. 49 minutes. Until in the house is over 1 hour, yeah. Manang walking, hiking with music in the airs, yeah. Ay, I have also rat, but I cannot do it that if I make a vlog. Double na. We cannot hear something now. If I have a in my ears and it's not good na. We cannot hear the music if I make a vlog, everyone. No, it's not allowed. Just only I have to concentrate. Otherwise, I have a mistake. Yeah. I have to look at we don't have a mistake. Yeah. Wow, very nice under a tree, everyone. Guys, very nice, everyone here. Oh, guys, under a tree is so very refreshing. Yeah. Fresh air, everybody. Look here, oh. Interstate awan. The road here, very noisy. This is the bridge, everyone. Transfer to the many countries. Yeah. This is the road here. You can transfer to many countries. Italy, Austria, Germany, all, yeah. That very big road, the bridge. That is for the interstate A1 transfer to the other country. That everyone, this one here in the top. We are coming everybody in the under the bridge. Very noisy upstairs, everyone, because of the that is the a lot of truck there, autos, yeah. Transport. Look, everyone. Oh, what a nice. Oh, we are not getting long here because the very noisy upstairs. Oh, the road. The bridge is very noisy. The road here upstairs because we will be going anywhere. Lisa also go back in the house. Go in the shadow only. Shadow. Hi, very nice under a bridge, under the tree. Everyone is cold. Hi, very nice, yeah. Under the tree is very cold, yeah. It's nice, perfect, because when the sun is very strong, when the under the bridge is under the tree is cold, yes. For me, it's perfect. Perfect for me. We have to go now, everybody there. There is the man also with the dog. Go back slowly in the house, everyone. Kaya isura na mag-upload, mag-download, everyone. Oh, it's not easy. I have to be. The dog is there. I have to be slowly. Go back in the house, yeah. Very quiet here, everyone. Oh, I'm beside the river, but the problem is many trees. So many trees, yeah. The tree is disturbing for me, yeah. Look, oh. Here. Nice, oh. What a nice, yeah. That is that, everyone, yeah. Going to Zurich also, that, yeah. Gotthard Tunnel there. Österreich, yeah. Austria. Italy, Germany. A lot of place that transfer, yeah, to go to the other place, yeah, to the other land. There is, yeah. Go back ata slowly, everybody. Oy, kay laylay na. Laylay na. Ugat ni akong study, bro. Importante nga naka-walk na tayo, everybody. Walking for exercise. Na po iro ka pa dong everyone. Oh. Kay time pura dong good in the morning. Okay, gawas nila nila everyone. May ka-training ya. Building there, we pass over there everyone da. In the building over there da. There. We pass there ya. There is the Banho pa ibin da. The train station. Let's see. Dog, I have to make a way to the passage me. The man will pass with me. Because some people doesn't like everyone. I have to be respect. Yeah. I have to be respect. Ah, we been there. Oh, that building there. He was there. I was there. Yeah. Pass there. Yeah. Ay, bubak na kay magluto na Lisa kay kung 10 o'clock na over everyone, I have to make a rice niya. Kaya kung anak mo uli 12 pa man, 12 over. My husband also. Yeah. My husband soap, he said to me soap, I don't have to cook. I will cook just only for the dinner. Dinner everyone. Vegetables, yeah. But when it's good weather, everybody, we will make it grill outside. Because when it's winter, I will cook outside with everyone when it's good weather. Because when it's winter time, just only inside in the house I have to cook. The best is outside, yeah. That you don't have to clean always the burner. Because the, you know, is the oily. Oily is not easy for me. I have to be cleaning. Anyway, put in washing machine everybody. Yeah. Before I put washing machine, I have to clean. That the oil goes away. Not easy. Sakit abaga. Kuskus. Kuskus balongo. Sakit abaga. 57 minutes na we are. So if I go back this same area, when I go back, no masyado naman. Uy, manay. No masyado na there. Ay, naabta na dito sa strong si Haring Adlaw. Na strong na. Ay. Himingaw ko sa kuang-kuan everyone. Uy, bracelet nga nawala. Uy. Sus, Diyos ko na makitaan dito. Saan mga walking good Miss Fares. Ang iyang lock ba naputol sa sabod. Wala na dyan ako makita ako ang bracelet. Uy, gold ra ba to? Uy. Ay. Di na madawala na makakita ato. Kalibunan. Isod lagi na magsuot-suot pag mga gold niya. Mag-walking, mag-Paris, labi na mag-surkat-surkat. Hulog jud. Kaya masabod man. Ay. Ah. Gusto ko sa shadow everyone. Uy. Lar, trainer ah. Pass already. Oh. I like to be in the shadow only everybody. Uy. Parawi man in the shadow. Uy. Parawi. Ay. Parawi na po in the shadow because I have to go there downstairs in the inti. Maybe I will come here. I don't know. What is the time now? I don't know what also it is time. 9 over 9, 9:30. You have to go in the shadow, everyone. I don't like to go direct in the sun. The sun, everybody is will be. I have a katul. You know what is the katul, everyone? It's Kretzel. Katul si Lisa ng sun direct. Oy. I have to take care. Let's go to everybody down, yeah, down, then up. I like in the shadow only. There, if I go in the Banhop, is there no more shadow na there, na? No more trees. In the road na no more trees na. I like in the shadow, yeah. Ah, building of the old, yeah. Many old is live there, yeah. For me, everyone, I do not go in the building of the old. Okay, all the money of you for retirement is direct there in the direct the bayad there. Direct, direct to pay. No way. Sayang atong kwarta adto ta mapuyo ang building para sa mga tigulang. Maganto sa itong mga anak sa balay jud balay kasibat nya makapagusto kita sa balay iha wala man murang presuhan presuhan. I know ko sa mother of my husband is there last time, yeah, when she's still alive. 2 years later, almost every day visit, yeah. It's not easy. It's like a jail. You cannot exercise only inside in the room. Kapuya. It's not good. Until it's dead, no way. Nice in the house because you can do what you like in the house. Yeah, exercise, outing, walking, make something that you are very moving body and happy. There is not unhappy there. Unhappy. That is very expensive, yeah. Monthly there may be 7,000 monthly. Swiss franc ha, it's not peso. Pila na in piso ng 7,000. I don't know pila na monthly. 7,000 or 8,000. My God. Very rich ka ana in the Philippines Very quietly do. Inti dira, wild inti over there. Wild ducks, yeah. Very quiet here, everyone. I like here under a tree, everybody. Oh, so nice. Garden, a very nice garden. Oh. Very nice garden. Man watering plant, yeah. I have also garden, but next year I throw away trampoline, yeah. Then I have a big one. Okay, small one from my garden this side, like plant with my daughter like to jumping and trampoline. I like. CCCC, no? Italiano. Calling to the family, CCCC. Italian, yeah. Watering plant here in garden, yeah. Appropriate everyone, they were rented, yeah. Rent. Because they stay that in the apartment, yeah. In the apartment is no more garden. Yes, only here. They will rent. Mini owner garden here. They rent, yeah. It's nice, my God, if you have a garden, because you can see money not always buy. You can plant many kinds of vegetables, yeah. Yeah. Ang tuso na lang eh. Nako, walking basta shadow ko, everyone niya. At direct in the sun. 1 hour over there in the house, everybody. The tree sila. Christmas tree, that is the old house of my husband with 2 brothers, my husband, yeah. Anybody will rent, everyone, yeah. Monthly. German family, yeah. Better than zero, everyone, yeah. Better than nothing, yeah. 2 brothers, my husband, yeah. 3 all, yeah. King. The kings of Swites, yeah. Yung mahali na, bahino na tulo. Dili ra kaya kung banar. Silang tulo. 3 kings, yeah. Kabilin sa ilang parents, yeah. May lang na ikabilin kaysa zero, everyone. Gusto zero, everybody. Lingi ta sa tong luyo kay kita ra kung sa oy. Ay, kutasin na. Kutasin na. Naliar as time do 1 hour ako over do. 1 hour na over later I have to make it turn off this one everyone until I'm back in the house cause meeting long and long until in the house. I have to turn off it over the area. Sao mas lisa nga silik mo lisa ang shadow. If I select the shadow everyone for walking, it's very far. If I select the shortcut, it's direct in the sun. It's not allowed for me direct in the sun. I have allergy. Sun allergy I have. Ay, mag-take sa akong panik kay ikaibgan man akong panik diri sa adlaw everyone. Sao man akong doktor ingon nga the sun will loves with you. Because you have a nice skin. The sun will help me. Instead, koy, my friends is there. Oh, hala. Sus. Relaxing time na my friends. Yeah. Wild ducks. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Oh. Sayang, wala ko pan. Magkuan man na sila yung arong orasa everyone this time. They will make it relaxing. Yeah. Relaxing. Sleep na sila pa sa inani. Later back na sila sa tubig. Hello my friend. Are you okay everybody? Sus, ang dami bang tao. Tao man wala man tay pan. I don't have a bread everyone. Okay everyone, kay relaxing ra man sila everybody. Relaxing ra. Make it dry the skin, yeah. Male and female at everyone. That is getting goes mini, yeah. Getting goes mini. Relaxing time, indutar bag color yung blue. Asa ka ang red? Ani siya red or orange, wala dire. Saon man wala man tay bread. Next time lang ko magdag bread ha. It's not today. Enjoy it enti. Wild ducks, bye bye. Gubak na Lisa everyone. Gubak na taya. Nobody is here everybody. Just only me. Just only me. Normally people is walking with a dog, yeah. Nobody na. I have to go slowly everyone. Guys, go back na Lisa kay 10 o'clock almost na. 1 hour na over I have. Okay, sakap that is babaw everyone. Oh, we have to go there in the top, yeah, in the up here. In the top, back to the house, yeah. Hadlok po ta ni kita rang usa lakaw eh. Lingi ta sa tong luyo kay. Sul kita rang usa ko lang nang gi-jogging. Because the people is in the school working. Noisy ang sapatos na kay da. Mini small stone. Everyone, oh, very nice, oh. Very nice, the water. Problem is very disturbing trees, yeah. Ay. Singutan ako buko-buko do. Train da. The train upstairs everyone, oh. The train will pass now, yeah. Going to Zurich that everybody. Zurich, yeah. Here in the house until there I think is 10 minutes or 15 minutes everyone. until in the house. I am downstairs, yeah. I have to go upstairs. Very quiet, everyone. Quiet, guys, yeah. Namin yung maka-exercise tao eh. Gaan na itong lawas. Ipailong tab exercise na kaya body is heavy eh. The best is the oil go out ba. Very nice under a tree, everyone. Oh. So nice, yeah. With shadow walking. Very nice with the shadow, yeah. Ay. Slowly na juga ni everyone go back in the house slowly. Kay mahadlok man tani kita rang usaw eh. Kay kauban. Ay di man po ko kagamit sa scooter, everyone. Kaya ang scooter, everyone, very quick raman ko go back in the house. Very quick only I'm go back in the house, everyone. With scooter, yeah. I like to be only walking, yeah. Train again. Train again. Going to Zurich. Over there. So we are here now, everybody. We are here now. Teruskan. Here we are here now, everyone. Nobody is here, everyone, yeah. Just only me. Look at that, what a nice, yeah. What a nice. Very nice, yeah. Very quiet, everyone, yeah. The river, everyone, is not small. A little bit big. A little bit big, yeah. Bigger. So, I have to go back slowly in the house, everyone. We go now, guys. We are here now. Here is the area of the boat transfer here. The boat bring there. I'm alone here, everybody. I have to go now. I am alone here. I have to go now. Idali sa na iga padu. Dakan po, everybody. Ay ka padu. Kurang usah. Kuyaw. Pasa. Ay. Pasa, everyone. Murulak sa ta. Utasan ko eh. Dagan mo ko eh. Dagan ko. Nailaki nga padung. pero ka-bike siya. Bike. More fast than me. Eh. Ay, Diyos ko God. Tas. Ay. Ta. Naagya po mga tao dito. Na tint. Tint. Area of the tint ya. Ay. Eh, tasa. Sakat sa ibabaw, everyone. Ay, tasan ko kagiragan. Hindagan ko ikay. Ano kapadung. Nah. Nice, the downstairs. We are downstairs, everyone. Oh, we are downstairs, guys, over there. Down, very down. We are in the top na. A little bit, a little bit. Agoy, unsa man ang gibuhat nila din ha. Oy, makaagi ko or dili. Magpababay na po ako, everybody. Oy, kay naay construction dito. Oh. Magpababay na po ako. Wait sa. Ayop, makaagi ko diha. Oy, may construction din ha. Oy. Hala. Ayop, makaagi ko. Oy. Kadakuha man yung crane. Uy, guba agi ayo tingala ng apartment. Guba tingala ng apartment, ayo tingali. Ay, I have to go to everyone na apartment, ayo, hindi ko agi. Hindi ko mag-agi, everyone kay safety. Kasi taas ang crane, everyone. Taas kayo. I think dili ko makaagi. Shortcut tao kay. Hindi pwede. Meron na sila kay. Ay. The top of apartments is guba tingali. May guba. Yayo. Hinahanglan taan nga. Mag-take ta kay. Dako ang crane. Pati taa dakuha. Nah, gamitag drill gun, very noisy na. Dali at sakay. Lubak na yung dahon yung iban. Diyos ko. Mula lang siya. I have little everybody. Mula lang. Kami na sun direct na. Dagan si Lisa. Ay, dagan. Nobody is serious on me. Oh my God. I have to do. I have to be. Dali. Dali. Gupak in the house na yun. Magluto ako bro. Pinagkuang bakaw. Di inigikan. Maribig na kao. Marcel kao. Ito yung kalpi. Ito yung tinant. Huli ko back na house ipan. Ikumidi tired. Almost sa ilaw si everybody eh. Few minutes na lang ay amindaw siya. Okay, basura. Basura. Nagkali ta kay ma. Agi ang taanis baho. Baho. Ay. Kutasan si Piggy oy. Kutasan si Piggy jud kay. Diri ta oy. Kuy nas manoy diri agi diri na punta. Kuha man siya ni basura everyone ah, truck. So di sa mandi. Time pura atras kaniya. Yeah. Baho na basura baho. Yeah. Taas na ato ang kuan everyone. Taas na ato ang pag-vlog. Magbabay na po ako everybody. Babay na lang. Ah, 1 hour 20 over everyone. Magbababay na po ako everybody. Ay, bye-bye. See you next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel everyone. At saka subscribe please. Like and share. I'm go back in the house everybody because I have to cook. Mababay na po ako kay taas-taas na everybody. A little bit long now. Thanks for watching everyone. Like, share, and subscribe everybody. Please subscribe everyone. And also go to my Facebook page also. Please subscribe, like, and share everybody. Bye. See you for the next vlog. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.